We are really excited to show you some of the highlights from the latest release 4.44, which is available now. There are a number of new features and refinements in this update based on customer feedback designed to further help you manage your business. For customers that operate a cashless till or business, we've made a number of improvements to provide a more seamless experience. Now, when selecting the Allow Cash option to know in the profile, which can be found in the tendering section, the till will continue to remove the cash tender buttons, but will also hide the paid in and paid out options, no longer prompt for a float amount when starting the day, no longer prompt for cash amounts when ending the day, hide the cash amounts on the till reports. Configurable reasons can now be enabled when adding a discount or completing a price override. These reasons can be customized in the web portal under the Config Lists menu and can be enabled in the profile under the General section. Once enabled, the till will prompt for the reason at the end of the discount or price override process and can be reported upon in the web portal. The transaction history screen of the tills has been updated to now include cancel sale transactions and will also detail the items that were present when the sale was cancelled. This data is still available in the web portal using the cancel sale report. The customers section of the CRM has been updated to now calculate and show the customer's total spend when tapping on the transaction tab, allowing you to quickly see if you are looking at a high value customer. Devices that leverage a customer display can now support an image only mode. When setting hide journal to yes in the profile, the customer display will stop showing a copy of the basket and will only show the marketing images that have been applied in the profile under the hardware section. Integrated card payment processors have had some minor tweaks. Some payment integrations would show a card approved message on the till. This message can now be removed to increase efficiency by setting the Confirm Card Payment Approved option to No in the profile under the Confirmation section. There is also a new option in the profile under Feature Permissions to allow staff or supervisors the ability to override failed card payment responses. This option will grant the user the ability to override the payment result for scenarios where the payment completed but reported back incorrectly or there was an unexpected error. There have been a number of enhancements to staff management within the system to help improve security. After entering a staff PIN incorrectly 6 times on a till, that user will be disabled from the system for 30 minutes. The user can be unlocked by a supervisor user that has access to staff management from the side menu. It is now also possible to configure the system to confirm clock in and clock out actions on the till by configuring the Confirm Clock In Out feature in the profile under the Confirmation section. Finally, on the Staff Details form on the web portal, you can set a new option that forces the user to set their own PIN when they first log on to the till. Customer and order receipts have also been updated. If a surcharge has been added to a basket, the surcharge value, i.e. 10%, will now be printed alongside the surcharge name. The following new options are now also available in the profile under the Receipts section. Ability to print the used price list on order receipts to help distinguish between eat-in and takeaway orders. Ability to include the transaction reference on customer receipts, i.e. Table 3. Ability to remove both the store and till name on customer receipts. Ability to choose if items are consolidated on both item and order receipts or printed as separate line items. It is now also possible to configure the tills to check for any open suspended transactions and warn the user before carrying out their end of day processes. This option can be found in the profile under the General section. The final change to the tills is the addition of a new integration with the Kitchen Display System, or KDS. This allows all your orders that would typically be printed to be displayed and managed on the screen. Please check out our tutorial on how to set up and use FreshKDS. The web portal has also had some minor tweaks to aid with managing your products. The Departments table on the Stock Departments page will now show the total number of products in each department and if the department has been configured to show in the Plus browser. When creating a department, it is now possible to choose if the department product is created automatically. This new option is also available in the import template. Similarly, the products table on the stock products page has been updated to now show the department of each product shown in the table. The character limit for the product description field has been increased, and finally, child variant products will now show the name of the parent variant product it is associated with on the product details form. And variant products now have both the inherited product details and attribute sections grouped together for easier management. Further details on these new features can be found in the appropriate tutorial video. The manual also includes details on how to configure and use these new features, which can be accessed from your device or the web portal. Please also check out our latest videos. If you need to get in touch, please contact your support provider, whose details can be found on the side menu or in the web portal.